Okay, here are 5 things I wish I knew before getting my driver's license in the Netherlands. Check if you can exchange your foreign license. You can find it online, and that way you don't have to apply for a new one. Here you can just exchange a new one if you already have it. Get a BCN number first. You must have a BCN number and be officially registered in the Netherlands in order to apply for your theory exams, for your practical exams, and to get a driver's license. Create a DigiD account early. You'll need this to apply for your practical exams, for your driving lessons, and later on for your driver's license. This is basically a personal login for Dutch government websites, and it connects your identity to your BCN. Consider a day course for your theory exam. This way you can pass way faster. I did mine at Nutheorie and I passed in 1 day. They really helped me feel way more secure, and I would 100% recommend it. And last but not least, ask for an intermediate test. This is called the tussentijdse toets. This is an optional mock test to prepare you for your real exam, but it can even exempt you from having to do certain parking exercises during your real test. For me, this really helped me feel more secure because parking and me are not friends. So during my real exam, I didn't have to do all that because I already did it. These were the 5 things I wish I knew before getting my driver's license in the Netherlands. If you want to know more, let me know in the comments.